Hello everyone and welcome to Explore Maths. In this video, we are going to solve the problem is a square minus b is equal to 43 and b square minus a is also equal to 43 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let us see its step-by-step solution. So here in first step, we will rewrite our original equations that are a squared minus b equal to 43 and b squared minus a also equal to 43, and we will let them this as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2. So here what will we do next is we will subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. So here we will write a square minus b into minus b square minus a equal to 43 minus 43, or it will be equal to a squared minus b squared, and here minus times minus will be plus a equal to 43 minus 43 will be equal to 0, or by rearranging the equation will be equal to a squared minus b squared plus this a and minus b equal to 0. And now here we can see that here we can apply an algebraic formula. So this will be equal to a minus b into a plus b plus a minus b equal to 0, and we can see that a minus b is here and also here, so it will be common. Therefore here it will be equal to a minus b into a plus b, and here we left is plus 1 equal to 0. And now here we can see that there are two factors that are equal to 0. So here we will write a minus b equal to 0, or a plus b plus 1 equal to 0, or here a will be equal to this negative b will be positive b on right hand side, so here a will be equal to b, or here a will be equal to minus b minus 1. So here we will label this equation as equation 3 and this equation as equation number 4. So here we will put the values of a respectively in equation number 1, as we have labeled equation number 1 was a squared minus b equal to 43, and by putting the value of this a here in this equation, this will be equal to, as a is equal to b, so here it will be b squared minus b is equal to 43, or here we will write this equation as here b squared minus b, and this 43 will be negative 43 on left hand side. So here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation where a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1, and c will be equal to minus 43. So here quadratic formula for the value of b will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and by putting the values of a and b and c here, it will be equal to minus into minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 43 under the root over 2 times 1, or it will be equal to minus times minus 1 is plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is equal to 1 minus times minus will be plus 4 times 43 is equal to 172 over 2 times 1 is 2, or it is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 172 will be equal to 173 over 2. So this is the value of b, and as here a is equal to b, so here we will write a equal to b also equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 173 divided by 2. That is one solution of a or b. And now when a is equal to minus b minus 1, then by putting it in equation number 1, it will be equal to, as equation number 1 is a square minus b equal to 43, and by putting the value of this a or equation 4 in this equation 1, it will be equal to minus b minus 1 whole squared minus b is equal to 43, and here we can apply algebraic formula of square. So here it will be equal to minus b square is equal to b square positive b square minus 1 square will be equal to positive 1, and here it will be equal to plus 2b, and here is minus b, and we will also take this 43 on left hand side, so here is minus 43 equal to 0. Or in next step we will get b square and plus 2b minus b will be equal to positive b, and minus 43 plus 1 will be equal to minus 42 equal to 0. And now here again we have a form of quadratic equation, so we will solve it by factorization. So their factors will be equal to, as 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, and 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. So 7 and 6 are perfect factors of this equation. Therefore here we will write b squared plus 7b minus 6b minus 42 is equal to 0, and from here we will take b as common factor, so here we left b plus 7 minus, from these two values we will take minus 6 as common, so here it will be b minus times minus is plus 42 divided by 6 will be equal to 7 equal to 0. Or now b plus 7 is common, so here we left is b minus 6 equal to 0, or b plus 7 is equal to 0, or here b minus 6 is equal to 0. So here b will be equal to negative 7, or here b will be equal to positive 6. And to find the value of a, we will put these values of b in this equation, a equal to minus b minus 1. So here when b is equal to minus 7 and a is equal to minus b minus 1, so here a will be equal to minus into minus 7 minus 1, or a will be equal to times minus 7 is equal to positive 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6. And here when b is equal to 6 and a is equal to minus b minus 1, or a will be equal to minus b is 6 minus 1, or a is equal to minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7. So here are the values of a and b of second solution. So here we will write the solutions of a and b for this problem are a and b are respectively equal to, here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 7, and here a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to 6. And second solution is a and b are equal to, as here is 1 plus or minus, so two values of a and b are positive and two values of a or b are negative. So here we will write a is equal to 1 plus square root of 173 over 2, and b is also equal to 1 plus square root of 173 over 2. And the third solution for a and b is equal to 1 minus square root of 173 over 2, or same for b, 1 minus square root of 173 over 2. So these are the solutions of a and b here. I hope you would have liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.